All right, good morning, everybody. This is just a quick down and dirty video. This is a new Mexico Railrunner MP36PH that was originally done by Kobo Custom Shops, which is a gentleman named Mr. Saito in Japan who paints this stuff for Kato under their Kobo line. This came to me recently to have sound installed, and with discussions with the owner, we decided to put a LokSound V5 Nano, one of these guys in there, because he wanted alternating flashing ditch lights, red marker lights, and then you would also need another function for the rear backup light. So basically this guy has on forward the lights go. When it's in reverse, the red marker lights go. The rear backup light is toggled on and off by F6. And the ditch lights are independently controlled. Those are on F5, and then you hit those, and then the horn gets blown, and then they alternate. So I'll fire this up once I get rid of this pesky visitor who just decided to walk across. I know, you're a great cat. Let's go down. We shouldn't play with this. So I'm going to hit power. I know. Well, we're having some technical difficulties here right now, so we'll pause that. All right, we're back. I've got my little assistant still here with me, but we're going to fire this guy up. So we're going to hit F5. That'll toggle the ditch lights on. So those are on, they're nice and bright. What I had to do is actually put another LED in here for the forward headlight and trim the light bar back because they're tinted slightly yellow. So this is better. It's still not 100% perfect, but that's all you can really do with these because, as far as I know, they never made clear light bars for the MP36. So, but if I hit the horn on here, you see those alternate. That's just for the sake of argument here. I'm going to turn those off real fast. Turn those off real fast, and I'm going to put this in reverse. And I'm not sure you're really going to be able to see them through here, but the red marker lights are on. They're kind of hard to see in this because there's too much saturated light in here. Anyways, put that forward. Turn those back on. And And so there we go, MP36 with ESU LokSound V5 Nano and a bunch of extra lighting effects. I'm not sure I want to repeat that again because it is tight in there. I had to pull this thing back apart, oh, I don't know, 5 or 6 times to get it working right. But, you know, such is life. And all seems to be working correctly now. But anyways, that's all I got. Y'all have a wonderful day.